Hi, I'm Miyu. Welcome to Fine Dine Academy, where we help you get the most out of your dashboard. Let's give your Fine Dine welcome page your own look so your guests see your brand the moment they scan your QR code. Start in Settings, then open Welcome Page and switch on Enable Custom Landing Page. That one toggle unlocks all of the options below it. First, upload your background image. This is the very first thing your guests will see, so pick a photo that really represents your place. Next, open Display Text and type in the greeting you want them to read. We'll use Tap to start, and we'll keep the text white so that it stands out clearly against the photo behind it. Now, if your menu is linked to your social accounts, turn on the social icons so guests can follow you straight from the menu. We'll leave that color exactly as it is for good contrast. Then switch on Display Language options and pick where you'd like those buttons to sit: top left, top right, or the middle of the screen. We'll go with top left. Everything is switched on now, so press save, then refresh your QR menu to see the result live, and there it is, your own background image, your welcome text in white, your social icon, and your language options, sitting exactly where you placed them. Your welcome page now looks like you. That's it for this one. For more quick tips, check out the other videos on our Fine Dine Academy channel. See you there!